Morning, everyone. It's 8:40 on Tuesday morning, the 21st, and this is video number 1070. And I remind everyone to please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can stay on top of all this. Okay, bounce back. The word of the day. Asia and Europe both mixed to higher. Asia stronger than Europe. And we have last night's earnings. We had Nike and Micron. Both of them beat. The Nike is 152.85, up 587 or 3.7%. Micron, which had closed at 82.03, traded as high as 89 last, 88.92, up 689 or 8.4%. We also had General Mills, which beat on revenues but missed on earnings, and that one is 65.05, down 274 or 4%. That one actually has been up for the last 4 or 5 days, so kind of interesting. Okay, Nordstrom exploring spinning off the rack. This is what Nordstrom does. This will be the third time that they've discussed spinning off the rack. Another little trick of theirs is to talk about how the family is going to take the company private, which it's done 2 or 3 times and has never worked out because they cannot get financing. So that should give you an idea on valuation for Nordstrom. This is a strange one. Walmart being investigated for hazardous waste disposal in California. I'm kind of hard pressed to understand where Walmart gets that kind of waste. I assume most things come in on pallets, in boxes, etc. Not a lot of waste, not a lot of dangerous waste there. And the Senate wants to investigate Amazon's labor practices. Nice being right on top of things, guys. Nikola, a stock that is 9.5 right now. That is down from 95, so just a scant 90%. Is going to pay $125 million to the SEC to solve the civil case of Trevor Milton. You remember this? They pushed the truck down the hill and said it was running. In any event, there's also a criminal case, and Milton is trying to get that disposed of, but we'll see how that goes. In any event, nickel is just another SPAC gone bad after having a 900% rally. Speaking of rallies, the Dow is currently up about 285, Nasdaq up about 170, S&P up about 42. So strong morning for the rebound. And one last item, Citrix. Looks like Elliott Management and Vista are going to gang up and take the company. Closed 83.65 yesterday. This morning is 91.49, up 784 on that news. Speaking of bounces, here's the oil. Got right back into that area that we were talking about yesterday morning, and then bounced up. Still closed down hard on the day, over $2. So not a particularly good showing. And that little rollover that I have discussed with you on the 5 days, still underneath that 20. If it breaks to the upside, I think, we'll at the very least see a test of 73.5, 74, and maybe as high as 76. It is up $1.20 this morning. Gold also bounced back a little, up 490, but the outperformer again is the silver. The gold up 490 is up 0.28, so 0.3%. It's a nice looking chart. Ran into resistance, came back in to all of these closes in here yesterday, and then bounced up this morning, but up 0.3 there. And the silver is up 48 cents, and that's a solid 2.2%. So wasn't as bad a looking chart, has consistently not been as bearish a looking chart, and really making some distance up this morning. For the rest of the markets, we'll just give you a quick look. We have Bitcoin up 1885, Ethereum up 85, and the bonds down 23, with the dollar, which was unchanged yesterday and all that hubbub, down about 12 cents. And the corn is down half a cent a bushel. We are long the CORN calls. All right, everyone. Have a good morning. Be careful out there. Don't get fooled.